Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best restaurant quality shrimp in only 15 minutes. This grilled shrimp recipe starts out with an easy flavor-packed marinade and finishes with just a few minutes on the grill and makes the best fast dinner. I'm Christina with eatingonadime.com. My sister and I are here to teach you how to cook at home on a budget. Let's get cooking. Calling all shrimp lovers, today's recipe is for you. I'm going to show you how to grill shrimp in under 5 minutes. First, we're going to make the marinade. So get a big bowl, one that's big enough to hold your shrimp and your marinade ingredients. I like to whisk all the marinade together and then we add in the shrimp. All right, first let's start out with a half a cup of olive oil. Any good marinade has like an oil base, and then you need like an acid base. So the olive oil is going to give us that nice oil base. Then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Now, if you're gluten-free, use coconut aminos. It has the same great flavor without the gluten. Soy sauce does have gluten in it, so beware. I'm going to add that in, and then we're going to add in a little bit of lemon juice. I like to use fresh lemon, but you can use the jarred stuff if you like. You want about a tablespoon. I honestly eyeball that. This lemon is feeling kind of juicy, so I'm just going to juice about a quarter of it, and I think it's going to work great. I like to use my little lemon juicer that I got on Amazon. It works great every single time, and we're just going to add that right to the bowl. And I just eyeballed that, and that looks perfect. And then just whisk these ingredients together. Now it's time to add in the seasonings. We're going to start with a tablespoon of brown sugar. There's just something about the soy sauce and brown sugar combo that I love. It's like they balance each other beautifully. So we'll start with that. Then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. A 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Carrie's almost out of black pepper, so I told her to put it on her list. I'm going to link these little cute seasoning containers below for you guys. I like that you can like see through it so you know when you're out, and it's awesome. And then a 1/4 teaspoon salt. And last but not least is a little bit of red pepper flakes. Now, if you're nervous about the red pepper flakes, you can leave it out. It's okay. I love it. It adds just a little bit of kick and it balances out the sweetness and it really amps up the flavor. So I'm going to recommend, if you are nervous about it, start with half, and then you can always serve your shrimp with more red pepper flakes on top if you're okay with the spice. Okay, so we're just going to whisk to make sure that brown sugar gets dissolved in the marinade. Now it's time to add the shrimp. So let's talk about shrimp. For today's recipe, I am using large jumbo shrimp. I like to use this because you can grill it directly on the grill without it falling through the grill grates. Now, when you go to get your shrimp, if you've never bought shrimp before, you want it raw, deveined. You can get it peeled or unpeeled. I like the tails on because it makes like a little shrimp handle for when you're eating it, and it's easy. You can hold it, pick it up, and it's great. But I do peel them. So mine did not come peeled, so I had to peel them. And I left a couple so I can show you guys. Now, if you cannot find jumbo shrimp in your supermarket near you, that's fine. If they're smaller, I'm going to recommend that you put them on skewers like you would a kebab, just so they don't fall through on your grill grate. So something to think about. You can also use a cast iron pan on your grill and cook them in that as well, just so they don't fall through. Now, I was defrosting my shrimp in cold water. That's the quickest way. You don't want to use hot water because it will make it tough. So this is what it looks like, and it has this shell on the outside. You just open it up here and you pull. They look like little legs, like a better word. It might be little legs. I'm not sure. You just pull that right off. Now, you can remove the tail if you would like, but I leave it on just because it's easier to grill with it on. And sometimes when they're soaking there, that will just come off real quick and easy. Now that the shrimp is ready, we're going to add it to the marinade and just toss it around to make sure it gets fully coated in the marinade. The marinate, what do you guys say? All right. What you want to do now is let it sit for a little bit for the shrimpies to soak up all the flavors in those ingredients. All right, here's the trick. At least 20 minutes, no more than 2 hours. So remember that. It's 2 and 2. 20 minutes, no more than 2 hours. The reason no more than 2 hours is because this has lemon juice in it, and it's going to start changing the texture of the shrimp and break it down, and it's going to make your shrimp mushy. So when I'm making this, I usually, because once we get this on the grill, it's like 5 minutes. I'll refrigerate it, make all my sides, get all my veggies ready, and then my last step is going to be grilling the shrimp. So, all right, we're going to get this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 20 minutes. So now it's time to get the grill ready. Since I'm going to grill the shrimp directly on the grill grates, we want to make sure that they're nice and clean. These are actually pretty clean right now. I just wanted to show you guys. This is the brush that we use, and it works great. And then we want to put some type of oil on them. Now, you can rub an olive oil onto a paper towel or put it on, or you can use a spray olive oil. I'm going to do a spray avocado oil. You want to make sure that the grill is off because it'll flame it up. I've already preheated mine just to get it started, but I did turn it off when I sprayed it. Then turn the grill on to medium high and get it preheated. Once it's nice and preheated, time to get that shrimp added. So I got the shrimp out of the refrigerator and it's nice and marinated. I just get tongs and pick them up, and then we're going to put them directly on the shrimp grates. Let's see if I can do a couple at a time here. Woo, that marinade. So make sure you kind of drizzle that marinade off a little bit there so it doesn't catch on fire once you get it added. Now they're going to cook pretty fast. So once you get all of these added, it's going to be time to flip them already because they only take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. So the cool thing about shrimp is it's going to tell you when it's ready. So when shrimp is raw, it's this nice gray color. When it starts to cook, let's check this one, it turns this pretty pink, and that's when you know it's ready to flip. And also it's pretty normal for them to puff out like this when they're cooking. So they're not getting overcooked. Don't be stressed about that. So let them cook a few minutes, check them, and then we're just going to flip them and cook the other side for a couple of minutes as well. Once they've been cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip them and cook the other side for the same amount of time. Now, don't go too far from your grill because they do cook very quickly. Okay, once they're flipped, we're going to close that lid and let them cook just for a few more minutes on the other side. Okay, now they're officially done. They're beautiful, perfect, and we're just going to remove them from the grill. Everybody give a shout out to the puppies who are talking to you guys. Of course, the minute I start talking about them, they get quiet, but they are here. They love it when we grill because we're in their zone and they get so excited. And that's it. It's ready to enjoy. So on the grill, under 5 minutes, and it's ready to eat. Let me know in the comments what you would serve this with. I love serving it just with rice, and I put a little soy sauce on it. You could do fried rice. That would be delicious as well. If you wanted to make everything on the grill, you could do like grilled potatoes, foil packed potatoes, and of course, any vegetable on the grill is amazing. If you go to Eating on a Dime, we have a whole grilling section with lots of different options that I hope you check out. Okay, it's time for me to taste test this, guys. The flavor is amazing. Stop overpaying for shrimp at a restaurant when you can make it at home with this easy recipe. And if you love easy grilling recipes, do not miss this next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we have more recipes coming every week. I will see you guys next time.